Okay, so hi dear Virgo, very very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is health, career, and finances reading for all the Virgo, Sun, Moon, Venus, or Rising for the month of November 2025. Uh, for personal reading and healing sessions, you can check out the description box. You'll find the links of these things below. For tarot reading course, self love course, and Ho'oponopono masterclass, links are given below in the description box. Nowhere I'm stating I'm a medical practitioner or financial advisor or career counselor or anything. It's just energy check-in. So use your common sense and brain also while watching journal videos, because these are just energy check-ins, honey. And you should definitely connect with experts for the same. Okay, if you have any trouble. Okay, let's see. For your health, Virgo, let's see what we have. Okay, I just forgot what I was doing, Virgo. High Priestess. Okay, there is some kind of mysterious or secretive kind of issues going on that you might not be able to catch just like that. But you know that there is something off, and there's something that's not making sense to you. So it's like some kind of symptoms, something that's happening inside your body. You might not be able to explain it or express it, but there is something that's shifting or changing. For some of you, there are some kind of issues that are going on in your health that you might not reveal to anybody, and you might be trying to figure out them in private, in secretive energies. Like you are like, okay, I should not tell it to anyone, nobody will be able to understand it. It can be related to your sexual health, or it can be related to your mental or emotional health also. But there are some kind of uh, for some of you, it's like dreams. You are getting dreams, weird dreams, bad dreams, and you're trying to make sense of those things, and it's having some kind of impact on your health as well. And you're trying your best to figure it out, yourself only, or in secrecy. You're like, I'm never going to tell about this to anyone, because they will not understand. Okay, something is going on mysteriously and secretively, and you're trying your best to heal it yourself first of all, and then even if you're taking help from someone, you're feeling like you should just keep it a secret. For most of you, it's related to reproduction, fertility, pregnancy, or sexual area. Hmm. Let's see the guidance for you guys. Hi, okay, Virgo. Let's see. Star card. Yes, this situation definitely needs a lot of healing. At the same time, it needs a lot of optimistic and positive and open energy to express and heal it properly. You know, it's like you just have to connect with the right person, and you will be able to start healing the moment you are going to connect with the right energy. Okay, it's not something, it might be making you feel like it's something that nobody will be able to heal or understand, but all you have to do is you have to connect with the right person, and boom, you will start healing the moment you are going to connect with that energy. So don't take it like lightly. If this is something that's happening from quite a long time now, let's say from last 2 weeks to 2 months, and you're trying your best to figure it out yourself, but you're not able to, so take help from somebody. Go to a doctor, go to a healer, go to somebody with whom you can talk about it. If this is medical problem, definitely go and check with the doctor. If this is mental or emotional, you can connect with a counselor or healer or therapist who can guide you and help you to get out of this. Okay, so don't be in this energy of I can do it myself. Take help. You will be able to heal properly and very fastly too, quickly too. Let's see, if you are doing job or working for others, how it is going to be for you guys, Virgo. The Moon card. You guys are going, what is happening? You guys are having all mysterious and secretive energies. You are having some kind of fears when it comes to your job thing. You're not feeling very secure about it. You're not feeling very sure about it. You're not sure if this is something that you are going to do for the long period of time, or you should just change, or there's something going on in your work area that might not be that much problematic, but your mind is creating scenarios and stories, and you guys are quite unsure and insecure about something that's happening in your work area. So you might be having this fear that you might lose this job, somebody better is going to take your job, or this is not something stable, and I want to have some kind of stable energies on my table when it comes to my job thing. So there are fears, there are illusions, there are confusions, and you are trying to figure it out. But again, within yourself. Let's see what's happening. Okay. Let's see the guidance here for you guys, Virgo. The Emperor, you guys have to take a stand for yourself. First of all, you have to control your energies of continuously living in some kind of fear or illusion or some kind of insecurity. If this is something that's giving you more pain than happiness, more unstable energies than stability, then you guys have to take a charge of the situation. Take the charge of the situation in your own hands and understand whether this is something that you want to go ahead with or you need a change. Only you can tell this to yourself, only you can figure it out within yourself, and only you can change the circumstances in your favor by understanding if this is something that you want to do for the rest of your life or you want a change. So you have to control your emotions, and you have to understand why you are doing whatever you're doing and what you should do next in your job thing. You have to figure it out, and then you have to take a decision, make a choice, and stick to that decision or choice of yours. Let's see if you are into business or self employment, how it is going to be for you guys. The Fool card. It's like some kind of fresh start. Hmm? It's like you guys were on a break or something. You were on a pause or something. Now you are going to be like, okay, I have to take the risk of moving forward. So it's like suddenly out of the blue, you are going to feel like the whole universe got your back, and you should go ahead and take the risk of going in a particular direction in your business thing and do something. Okay, unexpected. Okay, it's like just the start or restart of something brand new, and you being in this energy of without risk I'm not going to get anything in life. So it's a start or restart of something brand new in your business thing, and it's risky, but you are in this energy of let's do it. Okay, let's see the guidance for you guys, Virgo, for your business or self-employment thing. Five of Cups. You have been disappointed in this area of your life multiple times before as well. So don't let this disappointment of yours stop you from moving forward in your life and achieving your goals. If you really, really feel from inside that you can achieve it, you will be able to achieve it at some point of time. But if you are going to continuously be in this negative mindset and this guilt or regret of not being able to achieve whatever you wanted to achieve till this point of your life, you are going to attract more negativity and more obstacles and more blockages. Most of our blockages are mental, most of 90%. So you guys have to make sure that you are not going to be in this disappointment energy or guilt or regret that I could have done better, I could have done this, or I could have done that, I messed up, I fucked up. It's like you learned the lessons. Okay, it was hard, but you learned it, and now it's time for you to move beyond that. Hmm? And start your journey all over again. But the mindset and this energy, what you feel from inside, matters a lot, because you're going to vibrate on that frequency and attract more of those energies towards yourself, right? Okay, let's see what we have for job seekers or those who wants to start their business, whether it's new or second thing. Okay, let's see. Empress, there are very, very good chances that you will be able to get a new job opportunity or get a new business opportunity. It's like whether you're looking for another job, already doing job, or another looking for another one, you will be able to get it. For those of you who are doing like starting business or having another business or having the plan of starting another business, there are very good chances of you guys getting a very good chance to start, and it will start working out in your favor very quickly. So it's basically there are good chances of you achieving you guys getting a chance to start or restart something in your job or business thing, and it's going to go really, really well. It's going to make you feel, now I'm on the right track, now I'm doing the right thing, now it is making me feel happy from inside. Awesome. Let's see the guidance for you guys here. Nine of Swords in reverse. You have to stop creating scenarios and stories in your mind. You have to continuously stop trying to control each and everything in your life. Give your best from your side and surrender it to the divine. Consistency, discipline, and doing your best from your side is enough from your side, okay? You cannot control, you cannot change each and everything in your life according to your plans and according to your goals, Virgo. You guys have control issues and you guys know it. Okay, so instead of trying to control or change things according to you, try to be in this open and healed energy that whatever is supposed to happen or whatever is supposed to be in your life will come to you naturally and organically. That kind of attitude you have to keep. Let's see for your finances what we have, Virgo, for this month. Page of Pentacles, sorry. Page of Pentacles, it's like you guys will be able to start or restart some kind of saving plan or investment plan. It's just going to be the start of something, and it's going to be with this mindset of this time I'm going to make sure that I'm going to stay online, stay consistent with this saving or investment plan of mine. So it's like slight improvement because you are going to start or restart some kind of investment or saving plan, and it has the potential to become something big in the coming future. So let's see the guidance for you guys here. Ten of Swords. Okay, so you are still haunted by something that happened in the past regarding your finances or regarding your financial growth. It's over. The chapter is over. This is a new day. This is a new energy. Just give me 1 second. Truck is passing by, I guess. Yeah. So something happened in the past regarding your finances and it still haunts you, right? So, but the worst is over. There is light at the end of the tunnel now, and the light is coming in the form of small, small steps towards your financial goals. So, don't worry about whatever happened in the past. Focus in the present moment and keep moving forward. Stay consistent and disciplined in your plans, okay? That's what I'm getting for you guys for this month. So, yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Virgo. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. May existence bless you. Namaste.